This video is not so important, but can be important for your future reference. Here, one problem the mostly people face while using the API. We are using very secure platform, so sometimes your website IP address get blocked. Because of that, you are not able to connect. So in that case, how you will resolve, I will show you in this video. Let me show you one demo. When I click on test connection, you can see connection successful. But when the IP got blocked, you will get something different error, connection timeout, or may take a longer time to give an error. So in that case, you simply go to your system log. After that, go to the module log. You can see all the logs here and check for the module dedicated code what logs you are recently facing. In that case, just simply check the response. If you are getting a blank response, that clearly means your IP has been blocked. Because of that, our API is not allowing you to connect with your WHMCS. To resolve this, simply go to your cPanel. Here it is your shared IP address. Simply copy this IP address and provide to our support team. They will unblock it. Simply ask them, sir, I am your VPS reseller customer and our API is not able to connect with your system. Please help me to unblock this IP address so I can able to connect with API and start using your services. Team will check why the IP address has been blocked and guide you. This is very important for the security reasons. To avoid the confusion and future problems, we have listed this video in this particular series. Our goal is to give you a smart and best solution.